Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some cards, very easy card with the handmade background using the ink blending. So if you are new to my channel, you can consider subscribing. So the requirements are as shown on the screen. And here are the cards that we are going to make for this project. So I started with this white sheet. It is a 200 or 220 GSM white cardstock, and it is cut a bit less than that of the A6 size because my card, the final card I am going to make is A6. So this card is bit smaller than the A6 dimensions. Here I am using a stencil which I bought from a online craft store. You can even make your own stencil. I will share the video in the description as well as on the top, in which I had shared how to make your own stencil. And for the ink blending I am using the Tubbycraft inks. They are dye based inks and they provide 20 shades in those, and all the shades are lovely and also pocket friendly, so you can use these inks. I used 3 shades of the pink, hot pink, raspberry and baby pink I guess, and I created a background of the pinks in the tones of pinks. This is another stencil which I had bought, and I am again creating a background using this stencil. This is a circle stencil, and for this I will be using yellow, orange and brown colors. So here I am using the brown color for the ink blending. This ink blending tool are easily available on Amazon as well as on various online shops. You can find the important links in the description below. This color is chrome yellow. And I kept a plastic sheet beneath my card so that my surface is not damaged or get colored due to this. Now extending the stencil to cover the rest of the part of the card. So here my pattern paper is ready. Now I will be stamping few images. I have this Misty tool with me, but you can use acrylic blocks as well. And if you don't have any stamps, for example, then you can hand draw few things like birds, like whatever kind of stamping I am doing over here. You can easily do it by pencil and pen. You can simply draw. These are small doodles. Beside this border stamp, everything is very simple. You can easily draw them via hand. So using a VersaFine ink Onyx black, I am stamping this border on the one side of the card, and now I will be stamping some sentiments and other things on the white paper itself. But you simply can like write it via hand as well, so there is no need, or you cannot restrict your creativity because you don't have stamps or stencils or anything else. So once this stamping was done, I fuzzy cut it and I inked it. with the pink color itself. Now I am using the Mudra craft stamp. It is an Indian brand, and I will be using this home stamp set, and I will be stamping few things from it, like birds and hearts are there, so I will be stamping those and fuzzy cutting them just like I did before. Now it's time to assemble your card. So I use the foam tape, and before that I colored my images using the Tubby Craft ink. They are very beautifully react with water. So I just took some of the ink on the plastic sheet and dip my brush in water and take the color to color my stems. So they give beautiful watercolor effect. If you don't have inks, you can simply use soft pastels or something else to color your images. So in this tutorial I use the ready-made stencils, but you can use your own handmade stencils as well. For that I had already shared the link, and it will be fun technique. And yes, if you if you have any soft pastels at your home, you can use that as well instead of the inks. If you don't want to buy inks right now, so you can make your stencils at home. You can use other type of colors to make your background as well. So now I use the foam tape to give this images a height, and just assembled my card. And I used a sketch pen over here to color the hearts and all. Now paste, once your layout is ready and everything, you can paste this layout on the actual folded card. So for that you have to take A6 folded card, and you can basically cut it by yourself as well, and your card is ready. Now for the other card I used this stamp set which I bought from the Vasu Creations, and it has beautiful sentiments related to spring and happiness, and I used those things, and there were some beautiful flower doodles, so I used those flower doodles as well. So process is kind of similar, like stamp the images, fuzzy cut them, then color them, and using the foam tape stick them on the card. So once my layout was done, I tied a ribbon and made a bow out of it in the side of the card, and then I pasted this card layout onto the folded cardstock. So with this our today's 2 card ideas are done, and I hope you like this video. Here is the final look of the card. So I hope you like this video. So if you are new to my channel, you can consider subscribing, and on my channel there are various playlists in which I am offering a lot of art forms and their free tutorials, so go and watch them. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the upcoming videos, because I have a great plan to share a lot of art tutorials for the beginners. And share your love. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.